Yo, why'd your ex call me and say he found boxes of your stuff?
I forgot a ton of shit when I moved out.
Right, yeah, but why did he call me?
Man, I am so down for not going to his house. What did you tell him?
I said we'd pick it up. He's moving. Look, I can do it if you want, dude.
Why would you do that? What?
Dude, he's got your copy of Saga Wyvern Ballad.
What about my memory cards?
Vargas Saga Wyvern?
Yeah. Wait, you can hear us in our room?
Dude, Emma talks about that game all the time.
Hey, you wanna come help me grab everything?
Let's get Shamrock Shakes.
Man, I haven't played Saga in forever.
Dude, you are banned from RPGs. You get so annoying.
No, false.
Well, you aren't coming.
Whatever. I'm going to a party anyway, and I can just get Saga off the internet later.
Party? Where? I am so fucking bored.
You heard that from your room?
God, I'm gonna do so much coke.
Man, fuck. The walls in this place must be paper.
Wait up.
Rumel, I'm not taking a child-shaped demon to a party. I'm trying to get laid, not arrested.
I'm not asking you to chaperone, nerd. Just lead me there, then do whatever.
You're buying booze.
Damn straight. Hey, this booze can't wait all night.
Rumel, the party isn't for 15 more minutes. Chill.
So, nice place.
Whoa, all of our games are still in the cases.
Moya, would you like a drink? I run a little brewery on the side. And Somers, I also produce an accurate recreation of Surge.
The rumors are true.
Man, you already gave us those steaks. I'd feel bad if...
Oh, Moya, please. I'm a billionaire.
Oh, yeah, I'll drink that.
Oh, dude, you have the Dog Cop episode guide with the misprinted cover.
Oh, you like Dog Cop? That's awesome. Hey, listen. You can have that Dog Cop N64. I haven't used it in years.
Dude, really? Man, Emma tried to get one on eBay. She's gonna freak.
Well, we should probably go. You probably have lots of, moving to do.
Oh, please, take your time. Do you get high? I'm just about to try this new strain I've been working on.
Thanks, but, we gotta get going. Oh, crap.
Oh, lift with your legs. It actually makes a huge difference.
Oh, right. Thanks. God damn it, it does. We're not going to his barbecue.
But skateboarding legend Tony Hawk's gonna be there.
Okay, don't go in right after me. I don't want people thinking I have a kid or something.
Hey, if I convince that cop, I can convince a drunken mass. But if you don't want people looking at us, you, sure dressed just like me.
I have been waiting to wear this. You aren't ruining it. Ugh, there had better be some choice body parts in here.
This is so boring.
There are no body parts here.
I mean, 20 bitcoins a day. It's no laughing matter. I mean, you do the math.
I don't do math.
Have you ever played Ogre Battle 64? My other gay friend plays Ogre Battle 64, and I was just wondering if all gay people have played Ogre Battle 64.
Hey, what's the deal here? Why am I not just getting drunk in a fucking coffin?
Hey, it's not my party.
You're drinking soda. You also carry blame.
At least there's shrimp.
Dude, those are shit.
Yes, but there are no gross dorks over here.
Alright, we aren't wasting all that drinking here.
Want to go to Denny's?
Dude, goos are like worthless for XP.
They drop red berries.
Oh, dude, are you doing that super monotonous side quest? I'm taking a nap.
No, use fire! Use the fire!
I know! Oh, crap.
Okay, great. Now the sexy buff bird guy is dead.
This like a Quest 64? Breath of Fire? Like that shit?
RPG.
Oh, dude, don't save over Varg's save file.
Wait, what?
You seriously keep backups of all your memory cards?
I don't fuck around.
Wow, this ice cream sandwich.
Hey, you got another lighter or should I get one?
Oh no. Donut.
So what do you two have?
I'm hammered. Bring me anything.
I'll take the Annihilation Scrambler.
Alright, there's the drinks menu. I'll give you time to look it over.
Man, she's got an ass. Wow.
I know, imagine her and that guy we saw smoking out front doing it. It'd be like the best looking possible sex.
So what do we drink?
I don't know, dude. My wallet's pretty empty.
I got it. Some nerd at the party gave me $20 to order a pizza.
Oh, thank God. Man, what a shitty party.
Yeah, what the hell was that?
Great sex. Great sex.
Satan.
So, you live in motel rooms?
Yeah, I travel a lot.
For, work or?
Al, the things you've seen. I need you to tell me about them. Al? I need your help.
Deals as good as this are some of the rarest deals I can think of.
Last chance. Dangerous. Materials. Auction. Bib and compass. Used and new. Dangerous. Materials.
Free shipping?